Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will unboxing the SJCAM SJ6 Legend. It has 2-inch touchscreen. You can use it under water with waterproof case and 2 screen front and back with gyro stabilization and 4K video resolution. Here you can check the product specification from the back of the box, like image sensor, lens, resolution, format, battery, storage, connection and operating system. Here you can see the name of the manufacturer and address of the SJCAM Limited, an imported company. This is the 2 QR code to download the app, and you can scratch and check the SJCAM product authenticity. These accessories available in the box. No need to lose the time. Now unboxing the camera. This is the main camera, SJCAM SJ6 Legend. This is power button and this is settings button and this shutter button. Now unboxing the accessories. There are different type of accessories. This is SJCAM sticker and user manual and the wipe. This is main camera with waterproof case. It is frame mount, 360-degree arc bracket, 360-degree parallel bracket, curved mount and parallel mount, different type of screw with switch, waterproof case with touch door. We can use it underwater. This is handle mount. This is an adapter with fixed base and data cable for charging, 3M sticker, wiper, SJCAM sticker and lens cover. Now open the waterproof case and check the camera. This camera approximately weight 82 grams and this is front screen. There are so many buttons. There are power button, setting button and 2-inch touchscreen, tripod mount, and speaker, microphone, and USB with microSD card. Check the battery. The battery is 3.8 volt, 1000 mAh capacity battery. And switch on the camera. It is switched on, and check the camera. The camera quality is nice. Now check the camera settings. There are different type of modes: video lapse, slow recording, still photo, photo lapse, burst mode, video plus photo, car mode with underwater, and many types of video resolution like 4K, 2K, 180p 60 fps, 180p 50 fps, 180p 30 fps, and 25 fps, 30 fps, 720p 120 fps, 720p 30 fps, and this is loop recording. You can settings the loop: 3 minutes video, 5 minute video. There are different video settings: WDR, low light mode. This is gyro sensor. You can use the gyro sensor, and different more type settings. You can set language, date, time, and front display, keypad tone, screensaver, rotate, and many more. This is the external mic. You can use the external mics to improve sound, and this is the one extra battery I have got from the market, and dual battery charger. You can access 2 batteries same time. This is SJ6 dual battery charger. In next video I will upload the video quality and photo of this action camera. If you like the video, please share, and if you love the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.